Okay, let's do this mark quickly. Okay, do it with me. So this is 14 orders, right? 14 orders. Then we have $20 for each of the orders this person delivers. So let's quickly do this math. Okay, so 14 orders times $20 will give you $280, and minus Fiverr's are 20% commission. You have $230. So this is how much you can make doing just something simple, which I'm going to show you in this video if you stick to the end of this video. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make $230 doing the simple things on Fiverr. I'm going to teach you all you need to know, from how to deliver the order, what you need to do, and all of those things. Okay, so before we get started, I would like you to do one thing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. There is a subscribe button here. Subscribe here, okay? And also the bell notification icon, turn it on. Then this video you're watching, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share, okay? So back to my video. So in this video, you'll be learning what to do to make $230 doing the simple things on Fiverr. So the question is, what do I do to make $230 in one click? Okay, so here is it. Here is the answer. You'll be going on to this website to sign up to offer a service. I don't know, for those of you that are watching this video for the first time that is getting to know about Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform you offer services in exchange for cash. Okay, so what you'll be doing in this platform is offer a service and you get paid for it. If you don't know how to sign up on Fiverr on this platform, I have so many videos to guide you on that. Okay, I have so many videos on my channel. So go through my channel, you see Fiverr topics, okay, make money topics. All these video topics are all about making money on Fiverr. Okay, so go over there and watch all of them videos to catch up. So back to my video. So there is a particular service on Fiverr called logo design. Okay, so logo design, what these people do on logo design, if you search, you see that there are a lot of people doing logos. Okay, so this is the one I just opened, this particular person that has 14 orders. So let me just open up another person, another gig. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I just opened up this person's gig, and what you are seeing here is 19 orders. Watch, this is 19 orders, and 19 orders, if you multiply it again, let's do the math. Okay, so 19 times the basic package of this person is times 60. You are getting $1,140. Okay, you might not, let's say it's just $1,000. All right, so this is just by doing logos. This is what these people do. There are so many of them. If I keep on opening these tabs, you see that it's all about logos, and they have so many orders in queue. Okay, these orders in queue is like people that already paid for his service. All right, so if you keep on going, if you keep on checking, these are all logo designs. These are all, logo design. These are what these guys are doing. They're offering businesses to design logos. Look, this is all what they do. Okay, so I already showed you that this service is worth it with the figures you are seeing here. So it's worth giving it a shot. All right, so that answers the question of what you'll be doing. Okay, what do I do to make $230 in one click? Okay, you'll be designing logos. You'll be offering this service on Fiverr. All right, so the next question is, how do I make a logo? So this, if you are patient enough, I will show you how to quickly do this without even flinching. You don't need to be a graphic designer. You don't need to be a pro designer. You don't need to be all of those things before you make a logo. I'm going to show you free sites that you can make logos without having to break a sweat. All right, so how do I make a logo? So go over to this website. I'll leave it in the description. Okay, namecheap.com/logo maker/app.new. Okay, this is a Namecheap owned by Namecheap. I will leave it in the description. Okay, so just mark this site. Okay, so once you get orders on Fiverr, you come over here, this particular thing, and make a logo. So let me show you. Let's assume that my company name is Video Guy. That's my my company name actually. Type of business, I'll just enter video. Okay, videography, videos, yes. Okay, we are making a logo right now. I'm just showing you how to make a logo. Okay, I'll hit on continue. So these guys, they will ask me, choose a style, pick a favorite font. Okay, font is, the letters in your logo. So I love this font. Okay, I love this font, this bold font. I love this font, and I love this font. Okay, and I love this font. They say I should pick 6, right? Then I should pick this one. Okay, so they're asking me, pick your favorite color. So I'm just going to pick my favorite color. These ones are not my favorite, but I'm just gonna, select this. This is softer. Okay, I think this is better. So video guy, your company slogan. So I'll just say, we make videos. Okay, so this is my company slogan. Okay, then they say search and pick your favorite 3 icons. I'll just search for something that is very unique. Okay, something that is very unique. Okay, this looks cool. Okay, okay, this looks cool. No, this looks cool. So I'll select this. Let me go for this. Okay, they say choose any 3 icons. Okay, 3. So I can choose. I chose 1. I'm gonna choose 2, and I'm gonna choose 3. Okay, so that's complete, right? Those are 3. Okay, so I say continue with these 3 icons. So we'll continue. Okay, so results. You see, my logo is ready. Did you guys see it? My logo is ready. I didn't even waste time. Like it wasn't even something I'm cracking my brain what to do and all of those things. See, this is the first design. Okay, this is the second design. Video guy will make videos. This is another one. This is another one. This is nice. So it's all left for me to either download or edit. So let's just make a choice. Okay, I don't know which one to choose. All of them looks nice, and I'm so confused. Let me just make a choice. Oh, I love this, but it's too big. Okay, so let me scroll up again and see if I can make a choice. Okay, I think. Oh my God. Okay, let me go for this. Okay, so I'm left with so many options. You see, they even made a makeup, create a business card. They made a makeup for me. So if your client, if someone on Fiverr asks you to make a mock-up, you see, you can easily, see, they had, all the mock-ups made for you. All right. So you can, if you are not, satisfied with what you are seeing here, maybe a client gave you a color, you can easily come here to edit. Okay. Click on any of the colors and edit. Okay. So it's all left for you, whatever you want. Then the text, you can also edit the text. Okay, then you can come down the icon, the layout, you can still choose it. Do you guys see? Or like this. It all depends on what you want. Okay, your client wants. Okay. So they said sign up and log in to download. So you just have to log in and sign up and download. Already I have an account with Namecheap. So I'm just gonna log in and download. Okay, they say downloading video logo files. So this is my logo. Do you guys see it? Let me go over here and view my video, my logos. Okay, so I'm just trying to view the logo files. Okay, so this is it. So this is it. This is my logo. Do you guys see it? So this is very simple. This is very simple. Okay. So this is the first one. This is the first website I'm showing in this video on how to make a logo without even breaking a sweat. Remember, we are talking about how to make a logo and how to make logo, like what you are to do to make $230 in one click, right? So this is one. Then the second one is Canva. This website is so nice. Again, okay. So Canva, you can click on logo. Just go to canva.com. If you don't know how to use Canva, I advise you go watch this video. There is a new video I put out on Canva design. Okay. Sorry. There's a new video I put out on how to use Canva. Okay, the video is somewhere here. So this is it. Go watch this video on my channel if you don't know how to use Canva. Okay, so let's get back to how to make a logo on Canva. So just go on Canva and go to search and type logo. Okay, and type logo. So we are just gonna wait for this to load up. Okay, so once you type logo, you see that there are so many logos, like so many of them. Look at this, is nice. I love this. Okay, there are so many logos for you to edit from. Like, look at it. There are so many. Do you guys see it? There are so many. So all I want to do is I can select any of these. Okay, select anyone that suits my tastes. I don't want to create logo from from scratch, so you don't have to crack your brain. This is very easy. So I'll just click on any template, any logo template here. Okay. Okay, so you see it gives you even two options, on the blue background and on the white background. So I'm just gonna click here and rename. I'll say video guy. Okay, I'll rename it. Then on my slogan, I can leave it as we make videos, right? So you see, you can even change this. You can change the color no matter however you want it. Okay, but this is not what I want to do. I just want to create it from this template that I was given. Okay, so let's assume this is your client's work. There are other ways you can even present this logo. Let me download it. I can download this logo. Let me download. I'll download it as a transparent background. Let me delete this and remove and download it as transparent background. Okay, or okay, let me just download. Click on download as transparent background, right? I'm just gonna download the first one. Okay, download. Then I want to show you something, how to present your logo, to make it more presentable. Like, or if you come on Fiverr, the services these guys offer, like it says, 2 simple initial logo concept plus high quality logo. You can add this particular feature I'm about showing you right now. Let me import. Okay, let me import the logo I just downloaded. So I'll show you something. Upload. Okay, logo. This is the logo I downloaded. Okay, so this is the logo without background, right? So here is it. So there's what you call mockup. Alright, so I'll go to effects. Make sure you select your logo. There's a logo here. It's just white in color. That's why it looks like this. So there's what you call mockup on Fiverr, on Canva, sorry. Okay. So I want to show you what I mean by mockup. My network is acting up. I don't know why. Very, very slow. I want to show you guys how to present your logos to look much more better to your clients, so you can charge more. Okay, so the more you charge, the more offers, the more things you offer your clients, the more you are going to charge. All right, something like this. Look at now. This is nice. Very simple. Okay, so these are what I meant by when I say mock-up. Okay, so you can easily present these logos on a t-shirt, or let's see if I can see a t-shirt. Okay, something like this branding. Okay, I can imprint these logos here. Just wash out. Okay, this actually has a white background, that's why you can't see it. Let me find something that has maybe a t-shirt that is another color. Okay, let me change. Okay, I want to put this my logo on this t-shirt. Okay, I want to mock it up, so I will easily change the color. Just hold on. I will change the color of this sweater. Change it something like blue. Okay, so do you guys see it? This is my logo, right? This is my logo. This is video guy logo now on top. Do you guys see it? So these are what I mean by mockup. Okay. So after designing your logo, you can easily, come here and mock it up, mock it up, mock it up. Okay. Place it on objects and present to your clients. You can always download here. You can always download, your mockups right here. Okay. So I think I've done enough justice to this topic. Okay. I think I've showed you what to do to make this particular amount. Okay, this is very simple logo design, and I showed you how to design the logo. I showed you how to design a logo. Is very how do I make a logo? I showed you this, right? So all you need to do is to get started, get to action, sign up on Fiverr, and start pushing up your gigs. And once you get order, this is how to deliver it. Okay, this is Anthony saying goodbye for now. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. See you guys in the next video. Bye.